Children's Pizza Party. Gattu and Chinky were getting ready for school.
Mummy, Papa, are you ready? Come on, hurry up. Parents-teachers meeting must have started.
I have been ready for a while, Gattu. It's your mummy, who is not ready yet. Chinky, please go and tell your mummy to hurry up.
Okay, Papa. No need, I'm here. Let's go.
Then Gattu, Chinky and Mummy Papa went to school. Gattu, Chinky, what do you think? How many marks will you get? Teacher won't complain about you, right?
Not at all, Papa. We have not done anything for which ma'am could have complained to you, right, Chinky? Yes, you're right. And we studied very hard, so the result should be good. That is true. This time, Gattu Chinky studied till late at night for the exams.
Okay, let's go. We have reached your class and will know everything. Goody, Hari and Bunty's parents were already there.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning, kids. Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Papa and Mummy went to meet other parents and exchanged greetings with them.
Gattu Chinky, take this. It's your results. Both of you have scored good marks in the unit test. Very good. Thank you, ma'am. See, I told you we studied a lot.
All right, Gattu, very good.
Very good, kids. Keep studying with concentration. Thank you, Mummy.
Then Gattu and Chinky started talking to their friends and discussed their marks.
I scored best marks in science. Oh no, I did not perform well in science, but I scored highest in English in the whole class. I lost a few marks in English this time, but if talk about Hindi, I have scored the highest marks in the whole class.
Children, all of you have scored good marks in this test. In whichever subject you have scored less, work harder on that to improve it.
Exactly. He's right. In fact, I think you should get a treat for scoring such marks in this test. Tell me, what do you want to eat?
Yes, absolutely right. Tell us, what do you want? Today you get to decide. All the kids were overjoyed after hearing Uncle's words.
Wow, party, friends, what should we eat? Okay, let's go and eat chaat. No way, Chinky. We eat chaat very often. We should try something different today. You are right, Goody. Today's party is very special. So, we should eat something special.
The kids were discussing among themselves what they should eat, and their parents were smiling after hearing their bickering. Then all the kids shouted together,
Pizza! We have finally decided. Yes, we want to eat pizza.
Okay then, let's go and have a pizza party. So all of them left to eat pizza. They went to a shop and sat around the table. So tell me kids, which type of pizzas do you want to eat?
Papa, I want to eat pizza with vegetable toppings. I also want to eat the same pizza. And Papa, ask them to top it with corn, capsicum and tomatoes.
Okay, Gattu Chinky. What about you, Goody Hari Bunty? What do you want?
Uncle, I want to eat cheesy pizza. I will have spicy pizza with bell pepper. Yes, I will also have same pizza as Hari. It is very tasty.
Okay, kids. I will order these pizzas for you. Papa went to order the pizza, and parents and kids started chatting amongst themselves.
Chinky and my pizza is going to be so healthy. Yes, it will be tasty as well as healthy. We don't have to worry. But it won't be so tasty as my cheesy pizza. Gattu Chinky, don't ask me for a bite after seeing its cheesy pull.
Gattu, Chinky, Hari and Bunty were puzzled and started looking at each other's faces. Hari whispered in Bunty's ear.
Bunty, do you think we made a mistake? What if Goody's pizza is tastier than others? No way. What are you talking, Hari? Our pizza is going to be the most tasty one. Don't worry.
After a while, Papa brought everyone's pizza. Take this, kids. Your pizzas are finally here. Now enjoy the hot pizzas.
Wow, it smells good. Kids, let's start eating. Give it to me. I will serve everyone. Okay, I will help you too.
They served pizzas to everyone.
This pizza is so tasty. Wow, my pizza is so yummy. You know, not as much as mine. This cheesy pizza is very cheesy.
After hearing all this, The kids started looking at Goody's cheesy pizza.
What happened? What are you thinking? Mummy, our pizza is very tasty, but we think Goody's cheesy pizza is delicious and so good to look at. That's not true, kids. Alright then, share your pizzas with everyone else and then eat. This way you can eat your pizza as well as your friends. Wow, this is a very nice idea, Mummy. Let's do this.
So kids shared the pizzas among themselves and enjoyed all the types of pizzas.
It was a good idea, Mummy. We were able to eat different type of pizzas. Exactly.
Everyone laughed at Bunty's words. And this way, all the kids enjoyed their pizza party together. Indian versus Italian. Papa and Mummy were discussing something important in the drawing room. That is when Gattu and Chinky came there.
What happened, Mummy, Papa? Why are you sitting here like this?
Gattu, some of my special clients are coming from Italy and I have invited them to our home.
Wow! So we are going to have guests from Italy? Yes, dear. But the problem is that your father wants that I cook Italian food for them. What's the problem with that, Mummy? What do you mean? Of course there is a problem. I think we have to feed them the Indian food that we eat so that they will remember how tasty our food is. Right, that's what I'm trying to tell him. No, I think we have to prepare Italian food for them. They live in Italy, so they will like it.
Absolutely right. I'm with Gattu. And this way they started arguing with each other. Mummy and Chinky were in one team and Gattu and Papa in another one.
I think we should not fight with each other. Let's do one thing. We will prepare both types of dishes so that guests can enjoy both the flavors. Yes, Gattu, that's a good idea. This way they can have whatever they like. But kids, I don't even know how to make Italian food. It's okay, Mummy. You don't have to worry. You have Chinky and me. We will watch videos and tell you the recipe. It will be easy for you to make then.
Yes, that's a good idea. Mummy was not quite ready for it, but she agreed due to everyone else's suggestion. So finally the day came when Papa's Italian guests were coming and everyone was busy with chores. Gattu Chinky cleaned the house together and Mummy was busy with food preparation. The dinner menu had spaghetti and Italian pasta, along with chole bhature, jeera rice and kheer.
Mummy, you have cooked Indian food. Now it's time to prepare Italian food. Gattu, I'm feeling nervous just by hearing these names. I don't know if I can prepare them properly or not. Mummy, don't worry at all. Whatever you make, they are all delicious. So I'm sure that this Italian food is going to be amazing as well. Thank you, kids, for showing so much confidence in me. Now let's get back to work.
After that, Gattu and Chinky started instructing the recipe according to the video. And Mummy followed each step as they did. Within an hour, all of the Italian dishes were also ready.
Wow, Mummy, it smells very delicious, really. Yes, Mummy, and it is looking delicious too. I don't know, kids. I hope it tastes delicious too. Now come on, help me set all the dishes on the dining table.
So they started putting all the food items on the table, and after a few minutes, Papa welcomed the guests into their home. Gattu Chinky also welcomed them.
Ciao.
Upon hearing this, guests also said ciao to Gattu.
Hey Gattu, what are you saying this? Chinky, ciao means hello. It is an Italian word. Wow, Gattu, you are really very smart. When did you learn it? Chinky, I searched how to say hello in Italian in the morning.
Mummy Papa were impressed with Gattu's smartness too. Then everyone enjoyed the dinner together. Mummy served the food to everyone. Wow, ma'am! You have made very delicious spaghetti.
Oh, thank you so much. Please have some more food.
What is the name of this dish?
This is chole bhature. It's a very popular spicy Indian food.
Wow, it's really very flavorful.
Mummy loved it when they praised her for her tasty food. And then they started enjoying the food.
Let's have some dessert now. This is kheer made from rice and milk topped with dry fruits.
They ate the kheer, and Papa's guests really loved it. And after some time, the guests left. But before that, they couldn't stop praising the food that Mummy prepared. Do you know? Our guests told me that they have never had such tasty Italian food, and they also loved the Indian food.
Really? It is so nice of them to say that. Well, Mummy, you were worried over nothing. Everyone liked your food very much. You are right, Kattu. So, Mummy, now you can sometimes cook Italian food for us too. Why not, Chinky? Sure.
Then why just Italian? You can try to prepare Chinese and Japanese cuisine too.
Oh, of course. Whatever you want.
Then they spent the evening chatting with each other.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them, and subscribe.